Hi everybody, Chaz the Carpenter here. I'm going to show you how to create a stand to replace the miserable plastic legs on your TV or computer monitor. Two boards to make a nice thing that you will be proud to look at on your desk all the time. Thanks for watching. Some little safety gear never hurts. Gloves to avoid splinters, and of course keep nearby your earplugs and safety goggles. Essentially more than $8. Which is going to fit into a groove in our pedestal, the bottom of the board. So this is going to be a groove that we will cut into the base. I'm going to cut this out using the saw. Now, if you do this kind of thing, it's a good idea to practice on a piece of scrap lumber. Again, with our drill. Good idea to mark this on the back also. Okay, there's our slot. Check for fit. Brace. Mark the screw holes, 3/4 inch screws. And check for square on the side. And a couple more holes. And there it is. Okay, we're going to cut a handle. And 2 inches. Here's our 1 inch bit. Voila, the carrying handle. So there you have it, friends. And it's wood. And it's cheap. It's beautiful. And you built it yourself. Be proud, friends.